You know that captivating scent that instantly transports you to a peaceful, sun-drenched meadow in the south of France? Well, that's lavender for you. Its aroma has a peculiar way of jogging your memory, reminding us of perhaps a forgotten moment, a warm hug, or a cozy afternoon nap. But did you know that this little purple wonder is more than just a delightful fragrance? It's actually a powerhouse of benefits packed into tiny blossoms. Today, we're going to discuss 8 remarkable uses of lavender essential oil, and trust us, some of them are going to surprise you. So are you ready to be a part of this aromatic journey? Let's begin. Let's start this journey by taking a step backwards in time, over 2,500 years ago to ancient Egypt. Lavender was cherished then as a perfume and for medicinal purposes. From the Renaissance pharmacies to modern studies, like that of Tisserand and Young in 2014, confirming its calming effects, lavender's legacy is storied and impactful. It's our aromatic link to the past, living on in our bottles of essential oil today. Isn't history just amazing? So picture this. You've had a long and tiring day. As you enter your room, a soft and floral scent greets you like a warm hug. That is the magic of lavender. Renowned for its calming and soothing properties, lavender essential oil is a relaxation superstar. In a world buzzing with stress, this oil is like a pocket-sized sanctuary. Science backs this up. A study by the University of Maryland Medical Center shows that lavender's lovely scent can lower our stress levels, reduce anxiety, and even just help improve our mood. Want to create your own oasis of calm? Here's a quick and simple DIY recipe. First, take 2 to 3 drops of lavender essential oil. Next, mix it with a teaspoon of carrier oil like coconut or almond. Gently massage this blend into your temples or wrists. Inhale deeply. Feel that? That's tranquility flowing right through you. Remember, it is vital to dilute essential oils. For every teaspoon of carrier oil, consider blending in 2 to 3 drops of lavender essential oil as a good measuring point to start out. So the next time stress is trying to steal your peace away from you, invite lavender to be your serene and fragrant defender. In today's fast-paced world, where screens are always on and our minds are constantly racing, getting quality sleep can feel like a distant dream. Did you know? The CDC reports that 1 in 3 adults simply don't get enough sleep. That's kind of a lot of people, not counting sheep that should be. But imagine a simple and natural solution that could send you off to dreamland, gently and effectively. Enter lavender essential oil. A 2005 study published in the Journal of Alternative and Complementary Medicine revealed that inhaling lavender oil can significantly improve sleep quality. Want to drift off to dreamland with lavender? Here's your nightly passport to better sleep. Apply 2 droplets of lavender essential oil onto a cotton puff. Position it on your nightstand close to where you sleep. Alternatively, you can add 3 to 4 drops of lavender essential oil into a diffuser in your bedroom. As you breathe in the calming aroma, allow your body to relax and welcome sleep. With this simple routine, each inhale brings you closer to serene and restorative slumber. So say goodnight to sleepless nights and hello to sweet dreams with lavender. It's that throb in your temples after a long day or that ache in your back after a strenuous workout. Well, we've all been there. But what if the solution to soothing those pains lies in this beautiful purple plant? That's right. Meet lavender essential oil, your potential new ally in pain relief. A 2015 study published in the Journal of Ethnopharmacology suggested that lavender oil contains analgesic properties. This means it can help to relieve pain. Here is a comforting way to harness the pain-relieving power of lavender oil. Combine 2 to 3 droplets of lavender oil with a spoonful of base oil, like coconut or almond. Gently massage this blend onto the painful area, be it your temples, neck, or any sore muscles. Feel the soothing sensation as the lavender oil helps to ease the tension and discomfort. A word for the wise. Always dilute your lavender essential oil with a carrier oil, and always do a patch test first. It's essential to make sure you don't have a bad skin reaction to whatever you're using. So say goodbye to pain the natural way and embrace the soothing touch of lavender. Imagine achieving that radiant and clear skin you've always dreamed of, all thanks to a natural ingredient that's quite simple to use. Lavender essential oil isn't just a feast for your senses. It's rich in potential anti-inflammatory and antiseptic properties, making it quite the jewel for skincare. In fact, a study found that lavender oil could kill bacteria, fungi, viruses, and even other pathogens, highlighting its antiseptic prowess. So you're ready for radiant skin? Here's your simple DIY blend. Combine 2 drops of lavender essential oil with 1 teaspoon of a mild carrier oil, something like jojoba or almond oil. Apply this mixture gently to your cleansed face or other skin areas that are in need. Use this blend before bed and let the lavender work its soothing magic overnight. But hold on, before you let lavender touch your precious skin, remember to always do a patch test. Apply a small amount to a discrete area and wait 24 hours to ensure no allergic reactions occur. With this little floral powerhouse, you could be on your way to the glowing and beautiful skin you deserve. The joys of summer, warm nights, starry skies, and those pesky uninvited insects. Who invited them to the party anyways? We've all reached out for that can of insect repellent, but have you ever wished for a more natural and pleasant smelling option? One that doesn't smell and taste like chemical? Enter Lavender Essential Oil, Mother Nature's fragrant shield against those little buzzers. Research has shown that lavender oil is not just soothing for us, but it's also remarkably unsettling for insects, like mosquitoes and moths due to its scent. So you're ready to fend off those critters? Here's a simple recipe to create your own lavender insect repellent at home. Mix about 20 to 25 drops of lavender essential oil with 2 tablespoons of carrier oil, something like olive oil or coconut oil. Add this blend into a spray bottle with 1 cup of water. Shake well and spray generously on your skin or around your outdoor space. And there you have it, a peaceful, bug-free evening under the stars, thanks to the charming power of lavender. Picture this. It's the middle of winter, and you're bundled up under the blankets, nose as red as Rudolph's, breathing as if you're scaling Mount Everest. Sinusitis and congestion have struck yet again. When congestion holds you captive, lavender essential oil might be your ticket to clearer airways. Research does suggest that lavender oil, with its anti-inflammatory properties, can be a comforting ally against congestion and sinusitis. Inhaling its aromatic vapors can help to open up those stubborn airways. Here's how you can easily craft yourself a simple lavender steam inhalation. Mix in 3 to 4 droplets of lavender essential oil to a cup of boiling water. Just simply position your face above the bowl and cover both your head and the bowl with a towel. Inhale deeply for 5 to 10 minutes, allowing the lavender-infused steam to penetrate your sinuses. That's better. Deep, clear breaths. It's like a mini spa day for your respiratory system, all thanks to the wonderful power of lavender. You ever had one of those mornings? You're brushing your hair and suddenly it feels like you're holding half of your hair in your hand. Or perhaps you're noticing those unwelcome snowflakes that aren't falling from the sky. Dandruff. Enter Lavender Essential Oil, nature's secret weapon for a luscious and healthy mane. Rich in properties that may promote hair growth and fight dandruff, lavender oil could be your hair's new best friend. Ready to transform those tresses? Let's learn a simple hair care routine with lavender oil. Mix 5 drops of lavender essential oil with 2 spoonfuls of base oil, something like coconut or jojoba. Gently massage this blend into your scalp. Let it sit for at least 30 minutes, or overnight if you can for even deeper nourishment. Wash it out later with your regular shampoo and conditioner. Voila! Say hello to stronger, softer, and more radiant locks of hair. A scalp that feels as peaceful as a lavender field. Now that's hair care elevated to a whole new level. We've all had those days. The world feels like it's on your shoulders and every little thing seems to throw you off balance. Imagine being able to turn that emotional weight into a sensation as light and calming as a lavender field in the breeze. Lavender essential oil isn't just a scent, it's a mood-lifting companion. Its charming aroma is oftentimes used in aromatherapy for promoting emotional well-being. So if you're ready to elevate your spirits, let's blend our way to a brighter day. We can do this by simply adding 4 drops of lavender essential oil to a diffuser. Also add 2 drops of bergamot oil and 1 drop of ylang ylang. Then we just let the diffuser work its magic as the blend fills your room with soothing and uplifting aromas. There you have it, a simple and natural way to guide your mood to a more peaceful and joyful state. Lavender essential oil, your personal pick-me-up for when life's storms come rolling in. As we wrap up this fragrant journey through lavender fields, it's hard to ignore the versatile power of this humble little plant. From encouraging better sleep to easing stress and boosting your mood, lavender essential oil is more than just a pretty scent. It's really nature's gift, a testament to the incredible healing properties that Mother Nature wields. However, as with all natural remedies, it is essential to move forward with knowledge and respect. Always dilute your essential oils properly, conduct a patch test for sensitivity, and if you're ever in doubt, consult with a healthcare professional. Now it's your turn. Have you tried using lavender essential oil in your daily routine? What are your favorite uses for it? Share your experiences in the comments below, and let's create a community of natural wellness together.